Hey everyone, so in a previous video you might have seen me take a round jump ring, turn it into a square, turn it into a elongated diamond, and then run it through the rolling mill and turn it into a necklace. So today we're going to take it one step further, and we are going to take the same jump ring, run it through the rolling mill, flatten it, and then run it through one more time and give it a texture. So keep watching and stay tuned. So I'm using a pair of bent nose pliers to feed the link into the machine so that it goes in a straight line and not at an angle, because then it'll come out wonky otherwise. And then you roll it through to flatten it, and then you have a flattened link. Now you can actually add the texture. So this is the texture plate I'm using. And next step will be just testing the depth of the rollers to make sure that they're going to hold the metal and the texture plate firmly. You want to just give a little tug on that, and if it holds it firmly, then you're at the right setting. And then you remove it, and then you wrap it in a piece of paper. Position your link or component over the texture plate, and I'm using mousse gummy here to cover it, 2 layers of mousse gummy. Mousse gummy is a German word which means foam rubber, and I get it from a good friend of mine from Germany. You don't have to use it, but it certainly makes rolling easier and gives a really nice deep impression. And so the next step is to just tighten down the rollers a little bit more, and then you roll it through. And then you have a destroyed piece of paper, some destroyed mousse gummy, and a really cute little link with a texture on it. And then you can turn that into whatever you want, a necklace, earrings, whatever have you. Let your imagination run wild. So to make it even pop more, add a patina. And here it is with the patina, and I really like the patina because it really makes the texture pop. And if you want a slightly different shape, you can run it through the mill one more time and it'll elongate it even a bit more. So you can almost have a whole series of different shapes that are related. And that's it. All right, so thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy making some textures with your rolling mill and your links.